Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to get Google Review QR code for business. For this, first of all, we open any browser. Once browser is open in front of you, we will go to the search bar and now here we will type google.com/business. After that, hit the enter button and your Google profile will be open. Go to the right side and sign in to your Google account. After that, go below and now here select your business profile. That kind of format will be open in front of you. And now here you will see a button of ask for reviews. Click on it. Then this is the link and this is a button to copy this link. Click on it and link will be copied. After that, open a new window and now here first we will test our link, the review link. Now you can see the link is working well. After that, we open a new window and then go to the search bar and now here we will type qrgenerator.org and then hit the enter button. A new website will be open in front of you. Once it's open, here there is a lot of options to create a QR code, but we will go with the link option and the link option has been selected. Go below. First of all, add the URL of your business. This is the URL and the QR code has been generated. After that, go below and here you will see an option of colors. You can also select the background of your QR code and the foreground of your QR code. And if you go below, there is an option for transparent background. If you want a QR code in a transparent background, you can go with this and you can go with background image. It means you can add a image in the background. Once this section done, we will go below and click on design. And in the design section, you can also add the pattern of your QR code. I will go with the simple option. And if you go below, there is an option of marker border. You can also adjust the border of your QR code like this. And if you go below, there is an option of marker center. You can select the marker center of your QR code. It means you can create a stylish and a different QR code from here. After that, go below. There's the option of logo. Click on it. Now here you will see a lot of options to add a logo. Like that, I will select YouTube logo. YouTube logo will be represented on the QR code. Or you can upload your own business logo over here. And it is written here, upload your logo or select a watermark. Or you can remove background behind logo. Like that. Behind of your logo, any kind of QR code will not be there. And you can adjust the size of your logo in QR code. Like that. After that, go below. There's an option of frame. You can select the frame. I will go with this. Scan me is written here, or you can change the label. I will select review. Now, And if you go to the right side, you can also select the font. After that, go below, and here you can select the size of your font. I will select it to almost 87%. And in the last, there's an option of options. Now here you can select the size of your QR code. It depends on you. Go above. Once your QR code is done, there's a button of save. Click on it, and then 4 options will be appear over here. What kind of format you wanted to download your QR code? I will go with PNG. Now you can see your QR code has been generated. And for scanning this QR code, I have a mobile phone, and now here I will open the Google application. Then click on this lens button. Then click on the camera, and now here you can see it is detecting the QR code. Just click on this link, and now you can see this is the area where your customer will give you the reviews. That was the way how to get Google review QR code for business. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.